Hey guys, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, and we're here with another exciting unboxing today. And we decided to veer a little bit from the phones and go straight to some earbuds. It's been a minute, but we got some new earbuds from Amazon, and it's called Soundpeats, the Air 5 Pro. But before we get into that, if you can please like, subscribe to this channel, we greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all the support, and we're going to continue going forward in 2025. But what do we have here today? The Soundpeats Air 5 Pro. Now, as the name mentions, this is the 5th iteration of this earbud series, and this company has been a very big player in the market. Now, you can get these on Amazon for $79.99, and currently they have a 25% off deal. And then if you look at my link below, you can get even more deals. But let's go ahead and get into it. Today, we're just going to unbox it. And later on, I'm going to do a video testing out and let you know if the earbuds live up to their hype. One of the things that's really cool about this earbud is the fact that it has this new technology called Adaptive AI Hybrid, which is a really good active noise canceling up to 55 decibels or dBs. It includes a Qualcomm Snapdragon sound with aptX lossless and LDAC, and that's just the sound quality. It does have wind resistance, wind noise resistance. It includes 6 mics. And the selling point on this, other than that fancy technology I just mentioned, is that it has a 37-hour play and a quick charge. So you can experience 7.5 hours of battery life on a single charge, and you can extend it up to 37 hours. This also includes multi-point connection, and it's IPX5 water proof, so don't dip it in water. And it has a custom sound, which you can do with the app, which is the Peats Audio app that you can download for Apple, iOS, or Android. I have Android, so that's just what it is. But with all that cool technology, let's see what else is in there. Oh, and also did I mention that it has a 10mm driver, so you're getting all the bass, what they're saying. So as you can see, it does come in black and white, so I got the black version, and it has like a nice little copper side panel right here. This is what the back looks like, just if you're curious. It comes shrink wrap and excellent delivery in this nice little package. So we're gonna unbox it, and here it is. Voila, these are the Air 5 Pro from Soundpeats. And as you can see, this is the black ones. It is what it is. That is the earbud. What else do we have in this boxing? So on the inside, we have the wired charge, and then we have the earbuds for your customization. I have a USB-A to USB Type-C here, so I have plenty of those, so I'm just gonna keep that one back in here to keep them packaging nice. And then on the other side, we have our earbud. Let's see what we get here. So yeah, we essentially get another set, and based on they don't necessarily indicate what size, other than the fact that if you have, wide ears, this will fit in there. It'll capture all that. So you can see that. And then you have semi-small. So there's no real indicator on there, but just know that you can interchange your earbuds, and there's 2 sets in here already. So we're just gonna put them all right here. Yeah, they're for small ears and for big ears. And the one on the actual unit is the medium size. So this is what you have. So that's nice they included out of that for 80 bucks. All right, so let's get down to the get down, and let's look and see what the actual buds look like. And here is the case. Voila. So one of the cool things I noticed right away is that copper effect is very nice. It definitely jazzes up the earbuds a little bit, because you're just getting straight black earbuds. It's not as cool as the white earbuds, the Apple does, or the Samsung's cool variations of colors and earbuds, but I like the nice little accent mark there. And if we look and inspect a little closer, you can see there is an S right here, and that S is for Soundpeats. Nice cool design there. And one of the things is these are the stem earbuds, or the AirPods earbuds, where it's more of a touch functionality, so we'll get into that later on, but just wanted to show you the construction of the earbuds. And you get 2 of them, and they're all independent. And look at the detail when it comes to the case. So this is in cursive. This says, "Hear the difference." So let's continue with that theme, hearing the difference. And on the back, you can see there's the Soundpeats logo. All right, guys. Well, the Soundpeats has an app dedicated to these earbuds, so don't you worry, you're getting your 80 bucks worth. It is called Soundpeats Audio. You get that in the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. And the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have a good pairing. So let's go to pairing and let's open up the case. And let's see if we can get these paired. And there it is, the Soundpeats local. There we go. Bluetooth pairing request. This device will pair with Soundpeats Air 5 Pro. And hit pair. Okay, and it tells you your battery that's in use. And you can hit back. And it's connecting to the device, as you can see. And voila. You have all the information here. Exit. Let's go back in. There it is. It shows up right there as such. And then you see the noise canceling option, the normal option, the transparent option, the voice enhancement on transparency, or you do standard transparency. With adaptive noise canceling, you can go that route. You can go indoor noise cancellation. Let's see if you can see it closely. You can go outdoor traffic mode. You can do double device connection feature, so you can add 2 devices. You can disable the touch, because there is a touch portion on here, as I mentioned before. You can go into game mode, so they have game mode there. And that's all on the home page, and you can go LDAC right here, and then you can switch off as well. All right, let's go to the middle. So this is where you can give your sound, the best sound that you can want to customize. So there's bass boost, treble, bass reduce, Soundpeats classic default sound effect, and all these other ones. So that's pretty cool. And then you can make your own, which this is adaptive EQ. So you can do a test, and then you can test the results there apparently. And then you can customize your own sound settings yourself. So what a neat feature. So that was pretty much it. This unboxing showed me that it's got a really good shot at being one of my favorite earbuds of 2025. Let's go ahead and test this out. But until then, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews. Thanks for watching it. Peace out.